You see, the basic statement is in Surah Bani Israel, La taqfu ma laysa laka bihi ilm. Do not pursue, go after matters about which you got no knowledge. Inna sama wal basara wal fuad. Kullu ulaika kana anhu masula. Your sight, vision, your ability to hear, and your heart, your thinking process, all of them are going to be held accountable. In Surah Al-Hujurat, the Almighty mentions, La tajassasu, do not spy. And before that, he says, Ijtanibu kathiram min al-zan. Avoid speculating about the intentions of others. In the ba'da dhanni ismun. Some of the speculation that you do, they are sins. Yes, sometimes we can do it as a weakness, but the danger is that uh, the mind becomes habitual of getting indulged in this vice. And what I'm saying is that we don't even realize that what we're doing is a serious problem. I mean, imagine that an innocent person, uh, you are accusing him. Well, obviously, you can accuse it, you can make the accusation openly, but you can also have this allegation within your mind, and you're perfectly convinced that this person is evil. I know that, he tells whatever he's saying is a fraud, is a lie, without even knowing properly, without investigating. And we've got no business. And yet we get involved. So,